This is Smiles from Tutorials by Smiles, and I am showing you how to buy a starter kit for DFS, also known as Digital Farming System, like you see here. And this is what comes in the starter kit, and this is where you buy it. You gotta click this, and oh, I think I gotta do it on top, sorry. And then see, it'll be 500L for this, but I am not gonna buy it because you're only allowed to buy one starter kit per avatar, and I already have one on this one. I don't want to get in trouble with DFS. You could get banned for doing that, but I'm gonna show you what comes in it. This comes with it. It says, here's the well. That's right here. Says water well, and the 3LI means 3 land impact. That means like 3 prims in Second Life. That's how much space it takes up. And there's a apple tree called a bushy apple tree. That's 3 land impact, and that's that's the prims. And then you get the two cow and bull together. That's the Holstein cows. See how they're like the black and white ones. And you get one hay bale, hay bale. And then you get a water trough. That's the wooden water trough right here. And then there is the stove. This is a stove right here, small stove. And then you get also 2 dirt fields. The dirt fields, here's one right here. And you get a butcher block. That is this thing right here. That's what you use that to cut up the meat. When you get the meat crates from the animals, you use that to cut it up into different pieces, and you could sell the different pieces. And also you get 2 fertilizer. That's these things right here. That's the poop. You use that to fertilize your fields on your farm. And that comes from the animals. That usually comes from the males. I don't know why, for some reason DFS only has it come from the males. That's funny. Someone says something like, I guess girls don't poop, or if they do, they don't give it to you. And there is also hay seed. That's right here, the hay seed. And also you get a tomato seed, as you can see right here. That's a tomato seed right there. And you get tomato basket. That's what you usually get from the tomatoes when you harvest them. It comes with a tomato basket. You could use it to make things, recipes like one of the simplest one is tomato soup. You can make that. And tomato soup you eat, and you use your right here the HUD fills with, it's called EP, and this is when it gets to here, that's when it's all filled up. And your EP can actually be extended to hold more, but you have to upgrade, and you use what you call experience points to upgrade, and you get the experience points from doing things like making harvesting plants, like the fields right here, like harvesting fields, regular fields, water fields, and you could get that. And then also you get, let's see, the feed mill. That is, wait, let's see if they show it right here somewhere. It doesn't look like they showed in this picture. Let me see if they showed in this one. Feed mill. Let's see if they have it over here. Oh, I think I was wrong. I think this is actually this is the female. Sorry, that's what I showed first. This is the butcher block. It looks different. It used to be bigger. I had the version 3.1, and as you can see on this one, it's version 3.3, so it's different. It's new, and so that's what you could get in the starter pack. Like I said, version 3.3, and it says starter items are not transferable. So like, you won't be able to transfer any of them. They do this so like, because they don't want people just, well, plus for getting banned for buying the starter kit more than once. They don't want people just to be like buying it and selling it, because it's really cheap to get all this for 500 out, all these things together. It's pretty convenient to do the starter kit. And in the next video, like I showed you this stuff here, this is a new place where they show you on how to do stuff. And in the next video, I'm gonna use this area to show you how to that you could use the starter kit. I believe this is interactive. I tried the well earlier another day, and you could actually get water from this well, and that you could use in DFS, and I will show you that in the next video. And thanks for watching, and click the next box for the next video, and bye for now.